Let's make mathematics more interesting and curious to the beginners who are learning addition operations or sum of the digits. For this activity, we need two diases, and these two dice surfaces are need to marked with numbers from 1 to 6 or any other single digit numbers. And in this dice I marked with numbers from 1 to 6 in both diases, because writing the single digit numbers which are very helpful to the beginners to make the sum of the two digits. And now I will guide the learner what you need to do. First you need to pick up the two dices and you need to roll the two dices simultaneously. After rolling the dices, you need to record the numbers which are towards the sky. Now I got 6 in one dice and 2 in another dice. So now I will note the numbers in my notepad or in my page. 6 plus 2. In addition, we use the plus sign to sum the numbers. So after noting down the numbers, I need to add. I will get 8. After that, learner need to repeat the same activity again by using the same dices. Again, after rolling the two dices, again he got the two digits, two numbers differently. One is 6 and another one is the 3. 6 plus 3. After recording the numbers, you need to sum the two digits. One is 6 plus 3 is 9. In this way, learner will repeat same activity again and again. He will get a proper knowledge or proper skills to do the addition operations more easily, and he can able to do the addition operations of single digits very quickly.